She's back, baby. The glamorous queen herself reporting for duty on the new 4C natural hair edge wig, because what even is that? If you had reservations, questions, and you want to get the tea, you're in the right place, because honey, I'm about to put you on. Kinky straight wigs have gotten even better. Y'all gonna love this one, so make sure you keep on watching. Eunice has some of the best packaging in the game, and what I love that they're doing for my followers is they're giving you 15% off and you get a free robe with your purchase. I love that you all have the opportunity to look and feel just as glamorous as the queen herself, because trust me, you deserve. So use that code PINK. Now let's get into the hair. This is a 16-inch kinky straight wig and it has 4C baby hair. How do we feel about it? Let's get into it. This is definitely super innovative and it makes for seamless blending, which I know you guys will love. And this cap is on point. For me, I have to show you guys how the wig looks straight out the box. No manipulation. This is what you are getting. The knots are not bleached. It's not pre-plucked in the way that I would like, but hear me out. You get a ton of parting space in the middle and the side, and you even have parting options along the perimeter or the side of the unit. So I went in and bleached the knots, and this is the hair when it's air dried, so I'm going with my Kendra blow dry spray, which is the best spray to use. And I did a light blowout on this unit. I love showing you guys how the hair looks in different stages, because this unit is really versatile. And I did do some tweezing and I took out quite a bit of hair, because again, this was not pre-plucked, but it's no problem. I'm gonna always go to work. Not all kinky straight textures are created equal. This particular unit has a more soft finish to it. So when you do apply heat at 380 degrees, it gives you a more silky finish. So if you don't want that look, just stick to a blowout, but you have options. Now remember the wig caps that they gave us? This is the game changer. You're like, where can I get those wig caps? Eunice has them. And honey, they gave me 2. So you know I'm going crazy. These are super thin. They offer a seamless look for the bald cap method, and you know I had to do it. So I love the glueless bald cap method. I love using Bold Hold Liquid Gold. If you don't have this, drop down in the description box, click that link and get your hands on your own bottle, because you need it. And you can check out the tutorial for the bald cap method linked in the cards or the description box. But let's get into this light silk press, and I maintain the curly edges. But I'm getting ready to do a glueless install. I don't have time for glue. It can be great for some, but I do change my wigs every 7 to 10 days. So this is more realistic for me. And the hard head spray is a no-brainer. This is the spray that you need for a glueless install. That's perfect. Now this particular lace, it's not the thinnest lace I've ever installed. I gotta be real. I do feel like they can make some improvements with the thinness of the lace. And how I gauge that is how the lace adheres to my skin or melts into the skin using the hard head spray. If it's too visible, that's how I know the material itself isn't as thin. But that hard head spray is going to give you the meltdown that you need. And as the famous TikToker says, everybody's so creative with how they install their units, but I'm telling you, take a spoolie. You want to gently brush the baby hairs down just to keep them intact. And honestly, you can stop here. Again, my hot comb is set to a super low temperature because I don't want to alter the baby hair. This is a no-brainer. That's an everyday look, but I'm taking some Nairobi setting foam, and this is what I need you to get into. Setting foam is only going to maintain that curly texture. However, I find that with the baby hairs, if you use an elastic band, if you use a headscarf, it kind of lays them flat. So that is something that I hope they improve. But again, with my honey, I'm living for it. And it's time to switch things up. I don't like to play it safe. Someone asked me, could I do more with my wigs? And I thought I was doing enough. I thought I actually was doing too damn much. But you know what? I said, I'm going to show you guys how to take your unit from air dried to a braid out. And I showed every step in between. And I'm just drenching the hair with setting foam. And I'm using the Nairobi foam. It is amazing for this particular texture. And you guys can see the hair does start to revert a little bit, but I'm not bothered by that whatsoever. And again, this is a softer, kinky straight hair. So that's why I'm going in with a little bit of the Invincible Styling Gel by Got2b. And this is going to allow me to create a little bit of hold, and I can better grip the hair as I'm braiding it. Now, I'm Team Struggle Braid Gang. You know, I'm the founder. So we started from the bottom. I done made some progress. But if you are not one for braiding, you can do plaits, you can do twists. But I just wanted to show you what products to use to make sure that you get the definition. Because did y'all see the intro? Curls are disgustingly gorgeous. And I mean, too damn good. Can we talk about how crazy I was going braiding this? It looks good. Like, my braiding then came up. And again, I'm going to remind you, you need to use the code PINK for 15% off and also to get a free robe. Imagine getting your new wig and then you get to luxuriate in a gorgeous, fabulous robe. Stop playing with it. I used my elastic band to secure the hairline because I wanted to stay secured and in place. And I let this set overnight for like 12 plus hours. But this is a style in and of itself. Like, if I would have done my braids a little bit straighter, made the part neater, that's a look right there. You can't tell me it's not. Here I'm taking the Kenra All Curl Sealing Spray, and this is a lightweight oil. It smells delicious. Like, it's like perfume for your hair. It also creates a nice, soft, polished look. And I love that. And I'm just using that so when I unravel the braid, I'm not creating unnecessary frizz, and it's just adding a bit of luster. Because I use the Invincible Styling Gel, there is a bit of hold on the hair, but it's not overwhelming. And when I tell you that the curls stay, yeah. This is not a style where you do the braid out and it falls and drops within like an hour. No, Pink was onto something when she did that. I am curious. I would like to do this braid out again, but on air dried hair to see how it looked. Because again, we went from air dried to blow dried to a light silk press. So I just want to see, but this is gorgeous. And again, like I said, when you use the elastic band, it presses the hairline down. So you do lose a little bit of that natural look. If you want the fullness, keep the edges ahead of the edge of the lace front and just place your elastic band behind your baby hairs so it doesn't lay them down. Yeah, so if you're new here, this is how I like to get down. I love to show different ways to slay your units, and every wig should be super versatile. And I just try to find as many ways possible to let you know that if you invest your money, these are your options. And if you have ordered from Eunice Hair, definitely let me know your experience. I love hearing from you guys because it does matter how they're treating you, because you got to treat my support as well. Kiki with me in the comments. Let me know how you're feeling this style. Give this video a thumbs up because, honey, I believe I earned that thumbs up. All details on my look will be in the description box. Eat this look up, honey. Live for it. And meet me on Instagram because you know I got to give you a nice visual. Be sure to take care of yourself, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, slay, and I hope to see you in the next one. Oh, and drop down in the comments and let me know, are you thinking about picking up this wig? What other styles are you interested in me trying? Because you know, I'm here to put y'all on.